All right, we are looking at schedule planning part 1. What we're going to do is we're going to just quickly put the durations for each task into Workfront, and then we will put in the dependencies or the predecessors. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and put the durations here. You can see here in the duration column that the default value in Workfront is 1 day. That's pretty standard for most project management tools. So our first task, select self-help questions, was 1 day, and so we'll leave that as it is. Planning answers was 3 days, so I'm going to click in here, and I'm just going to put the number 3 or 3D. You can do the same thing. Take screenshots. We said it was going to be 2 days. Drafting the articles was going to be 5 days. Editing the articles was also 5 days. Reviewing and approving the articles was going to take 2 days. Making final revisions, 2 days. And then publishing the articles was 1 day. So we'll leave that as it is. Great, so all my durations are there. And that is how you add durations into Workfront.